Gotta wonder what they were thinking, the security guards, that is, when they did this. Just unimaginable. All right, so criminal defense attorneys Janet Johnson and Darren Kavinoky join us, and entertainment journalist Holland Reed are here, better known as the Dream Team. And so I'll ask both of you. Let me go to you, Holland. When you think about something like this, you look at the video, and it's very disturbing, to say the least. You're talking about someone, right, cerebral palsy, he's being wheeled away, and then all of a sudden, a kick, a smash, and up-topping the wheelchair.
Right. For me, I look at it and I look at two security guards whose job is supposed to protect these students at school, and they are not taking the higher road. I don't care what this kid did. If he was spitting at them like they allegedly said he did, if he was screaming insults, if he was kicking, he's in a wheelchair. He has a condition.
Exactly.
He is the one that is the vulnerable person in this situation. He's not attacking them or threatening them, you know, obviously in a forceful way. So for somebody that's supposed to be protecting the school, you're the security guards.
And did you see the kick in the head? Janet, Holland, you're absolutely right.
Well,
it's too far.
And what's crazy, as a defense attorney, if that was my client, which it could easily be, I think.
What, the security guard?
Yeah, they know there's cameras, there's security. That's what's always amazing to me, that you would be so bold to do this when you know that there are cameras, because
that's going to catch every
That's going to catch everything.
Right.
And those guys, if they're security, they know where all of the cameras are positioned.
Well,
I mean, we're lucky, I think, that they were so boneheaded that they did that, because, you know, a really devious plot would be to do it in a place where it wasn't recorded, and God only knows what they've done in those places if this is what they do knowing there's cameras.
And that's the problem. And Darren Kavinoky, I mean, how do you defend something? You just saw in that video, now he's wheeling him down, Darren, and then he starts hitting him from
there's
behind.
That other video.
You know, how do you defend something like this?
Look, in some instances, that is the defense lawyer's worst nightmare, because the crime is captured on video. It's not like you can get up in front of jurors and say, well, that never happened. But in a lot of respects, it can help you have a really frank, come-to-Jesus conversation with your client, where you say, look, this is not a triable case. We need to focus on rehabilitation. We need to focus on other aspects about who you are as an individual to try and craft some kind of an alternative sentence. This is not a case that should ever see a jury. This is what plea bargaining and case negotiations and settlement is all about, Joey.
Janet, Darren's talking plea bargain. And, you know, what we do as defense attorneys all the time is we talk about this fancy legal word, mitigation, right? How do we mitigate it? It happened, but how do we get less for our client? How do we explain away the behavior? He was having a bad day. He's not a bad guy. You know, he overreacted. It's a very tough sell, particularly when you act like this.
No, and what I always say to my client is, I want to show them who you are in the other 364 days a year. This day isn't your best day. I want to show them the other things, letters from your minister, letters from people who know you, who are respecting the committee, and who are going to say, this isn't that guy.
Absolutely. And Holland, we understand that one of them was fired, the one who was hitting, as you saw on the tape, the other one was not. Should they both be terminated?
Absolutely. This is two people that are supposed to be partners. Clearly, they're partners in this situation,
in
on
crime.
this video. In crime. Why aren't they both being held accountable? One did not stop the other one. I feel like you just let it happen, or you stood there and you were, you know, aiding and abetting, so to speak. So I feel like it's ridiculous that only one is fired and then one's on, like, leave right now. I'm not understanding that.
Yeah, leave, Janet, would not be the thing.
No, I mean, unless there's civil liability that they're worried about, and if it looks like they fired everybody right away, then they're admitting they did something wrong. Although it's hard to see that they didn't. I think they're going to be paying out civilly anyway.
Oh, yes.
But maybe one of them had some mitigation again, where they said, you know what, my mother just died. I'm going through a divorce. I'm having a nervous breakdown. Let me get you some documentation. It's hard to imagine, but maybe.
All of that. Dream Team, don't move. Darren, I know you're chomping at the bit, all right? Now, you'll hear what the 17-year-old student